Hi everyone, we are Pip and Tom and we run Reality Check Productions. We founded the company from a background in theatre with a particular focus on classical, immersive and interactive theatre. Reality Check has worked with world-leading contemporary dance companies to deliver VR experiences, and currently we are creating The Round with support from Innovate UK and a part of Digital Catapult's 5G Accelerator programme.
We believe 5G has huge potential for the future of the arts and culture sector, and there are some challenges that we have already come across when delivering our prototype for The Round that we believe 5G could help to solve. We'll talk about them in a bit more detail later, but some of the benefits of 5G that we've identified include increased accessibility, both inside and outside the home, low latency, and higher bandwidth. So, what is The Round?
I'm glad you asked. The Round is an end-to-end platform for the creation and distribution of live digital theatre in augmented reality. There are two sides to what we're creating. There's a production software that theatre creatives can use to produce a digital or virtual production. With this, creators will have the power of the Unreal game engine at their fingertips without the need to engage with what can be quite a daunting piece of software. Performances are captured using motion capture and the data is synced with the production, which is operated in real time by a traditional theatre lighting desk. And the result is streamed in real time live to the audience's mobile devices.
We're also creating an audience app. From here, users will be able to purchase tickets to performances, watch the live show in augmented reality in their homes, and interact with one another and the performance in real time. As mentioned, we delivered the prototype a couple of weeks ago. The following video demonstrates what we are working on. Delivering live AR theatre is very technically challenging, and the first demo was a little rough around the edges, but we believe it gives a really good example of the Round's capabilities. So, now the video.
The oafs in this city like to position themselves at the centre of the universe. How arrogant. How uneducated. Let us position ourselves here. The stars move over us, and we all move together around the biggest star, the sun. They say I'm a witch. They say if I have to teach, I should hold my lessons in private, in my father's house. How am I supposed to study the stars from inside? They call me an Egyptian whore. But I'm not scared. I'm not running from them.
Cool. So on the next stage of the project, we will also be working with condensed reality to deliver live streamed volumetric capture, which is one thing that we'll touch on in a minute with regards to 5G. So just quickly, here is a video demonstrating their work. So what are our next steps? How do we think 5G will improve the product, and what will that mean for arts and culture?
Cool. So there are a few kind of, as was identified as 3 kind of main areas that we think are particularly interesting for our work and for the wider kind of arts and culture sector. The first being increased accessibility, which is vitally important for all productions. A wide-reaching 5G network could provide a kind of a level playing field for audiences, as they'll no longer be dependent on local broadband speeds and dodgy Wi-Fi routers, and this could clearly significantly increase distribution of live XR content. Live AR theatre could also be delivered outside of the home, opening up the potential to tell digital stories in spaces such as parks, town squares, and also at festivals.
Low latency, which will be one of the key features of 5G, allows for audience interactivity with the performance and real-time feedback between the performer and the audience. This means, we're hoping that we'll be able to do interactive theatre within the platform. It also offers new opportunities for remote collaboration in the virtual space. And low latency will also improve syncing of the production content. So things like live operation of scenery and live voice and facial capture.
Yeah, which is kind of huge for a kind of live performance. 5G's higher bandwidth and cloud rendering will also make streaming of volumetric capture performances directly to mobile devices far easier, and that's why we're working with condensed reality. And 5G will also allow you to stream experiences directly to devices by delivering rendering in the cloud. This will reduce the requirement of the hardware. So you kind of, again, are increasing accessibility on mobile devices. And you also open up the opportunities to deliver live content on AR headsets, such as Nreal headset or the HoloLens, which is all pretty exciting.
So thank you for watching. We hope this has given you a bit of an overview on what 5G may enable, at least from our perspective. We're really looking forward to meeting you on the virtual event and having a chance to chat.
Cool, thank you.
Thanks.